Yes, sir. Ski. It high. We're out here another night. Catch me.
I ain't fucking with you, say.
Oh man. Hey man, look good, man. Hey, where the red? Okay. I'm gonna say where the red at? Here they come. Watch out.
Oh, you know I'm finna shot on y'all tonight.
I gotta get some pull-out. They doing pull-outs, huh? Let me see. There they go. Let me get some pull-outs. Yeah, it's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 with another video. We finna see if we can get us some pull-outs. They riding out. All right. Everybody trying to show out. All right. Let's see if we can get us some action. See what we got going on here. All right, get us a pull-out action. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ski. All right. They trying to act up out here. They trying to act up out here. let him. Let's see what we're gonna do. Can we get some pull out? Oh no, Can we get some pull out action? Let me see it. Get some pull out action. I ain't lying.
When the accident, y'all showed up.
Yeah, I see.
When y'all showed up, that's when it popped out.
Yeah, that's when everybody want to make noise, huh?
Yeah.
You know how that be.
Yeah.
The Challenger boy. Motherfucker slow. Yeah, I'm recording, man. I thought he was gonna burn something. You know they got the free tires. Okay. That motherfucker's slow. Let me see if I can get him to burn some tires and shit. Since what's going on since the Dodgers get free tires. Let me see if I can get him to burn something. They trying to get away. Oh, they trying to get away. Can we get them? Oh, no.